currently. The meeting is going on and we have the inside scoop of what's happening there. Now, the GST reforms messaging is currently underway in the Karyashala. Let's get you details of what is happening. We are told that Piyush Goyal has presented a proposal regarding the GST supported by all the BJP MPs, and in this proposal, the Prime Minister was thanked for the GST reforms. Mohit joining us on the broadcast with the details. So, Mohit, the Prime Minister being felicitated for bringing in the GST reforms. Take us through the details of what's happening in the meeting.
Well, yes, in fact, Pratibha, as we were discussing earlier, that the Prime Minister would be felicitated by the BJP MPs over the GST reforms. And now, Union Minister Piyush Goyal has moved a resolution which was being supported and passed by all the BJP MPs to congratulate Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government for bringing next-gen GST reform in today's meeting. So, as we were discussing, that GST reforms are being seen as by the government as a major overhaul when it comes to the taxes in the country, and in the end, people on the ground are being benefited. Now, the government has been saying, Pratibha, that the items of daily use will become cheaper, and it is seen as a pre-Diwali gift by the Modi government. And from 22nd of September, with the eve of Navratras, these particular GST reforms will come into force. So it's seen as a major tax overhaul, and perhaps that is why Prime Minister Narendra Modi is being felicitated by all the BJP MPs, and the resolution was moved by Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal in this particular meeting. And as we were discussing, this is an important Karyashala of the BJP MPs where the current issues, the history, and the vision for the developed India would be discussed. And in this particular meeting, a major issue of GST reforms was being taken up, and how after the GST reforms, people on the ground will be benefited. That all was being discussed, and the proposal was supported by all the MPs to felicitate Prime Minister Narendra Modi for next GST reforms.
Okay, all right, Mohit, thank you for joining us with those details. The workshop will go on well into the evening as well, and we'll come back to you for those updates. But that's all we could pack for you in this edition of the Bulletin. Thank you for watching.